How to cook the perfect steak. Four top steak you must try with best compilation. Let's watch now. Number 1. Australian beef, tri-tip, bottom sirloin ounce. Number 2. Hanging tomahawk, bone-in ribeye, smoked rib. Number 3. Smoked beef, smokin' brisket with butter. Number 4. Roasted bone marrow with toasted baguette, mushroom. Craving for barbecue and steak? Looking for best barbecue recipe? Here's a quick tutorial on how to cook a perfect steak, guide to serve juicy and tender steak from your home. How to cook the perfect steak. Ingredients: 1 boneless ribeye or Scotch fillet, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons salt and pepper, 5 tablespoons unsalted butter, 6 sprigs of fresh thyme, 5 garlic cloves. Step 1. Get the best steak for pan searing. Step 2. Season it well. Step 3. Cook it hot and fast. How to cook the perfect steak. Bon appetit! Here is another beef steak recipe. Check out more tips and tricks on cooking. Easy recipe coming soon. Subscribe now. Click the subscribe bell for more free cooking tips.